Let us understand clearly the method of calculation on standard deviation under continuous series. Here, the calculation of standard deviation for continuous series hereby can here we can understand clearly how to calculate the value of standard deviation under continuous series here by solving this given problem, so we can understand. So the following data gives the distribution of salary of 100 households in a village. Calculate standard deviation salary. So here salary, the class interval is given and number of households frequency is given. So from this data we can calculate the standard deviation. uh, Here we have to make a table by showing the various items like class interval, that is x class interval in the first column, and we have to calculate another the midpoint, and the given frequency is to be shown in third column, and in fourth column we have to show, and we have to calculate d, and then f into d fd, and in the last column we have to show fd square. Fd into d is equal to fd square. So here in the first column, salary means the class interval 0 to 1000, 1000 to 2000, 2000 to 3000, 3000 to 4000, 4000 to 5000, and 5000 to 6000. This is what the exclusive, the class interval, the exclusive class interval. And in the second column we have to calculate midpoint, that is m or x. So that can be calculated as L plus U by 2. L lower limit of the class plus upper limit of the class divided by 2. 0 plus 0 0 plus 1000 by 2 is equal to 500. 1000 plus 2000 by 2, 1500. 2000 plus 3000 by 2, 2500. And 3000 plus 4000 divided by 2 is equal to 3500. So like 4000 plus 5000, 4500, and 5000 plus 6000 by 2. Lower limit of the class plus upper limit of the class divided by 2, 5500. This is what midpoint, the calculation of a midpoint. And in the third column, frequency and d. So here d can be calculated as x minus x or m minus a by c. So here a is assumed value. So here the assumed value is a value which is taken for taking the difference of all the given values, and it is to be divided by the size of the class interval x or m minus a by c. So in this problem, 2500 is taken as assumed value, and m or x 500 minus 2500 divided by the size or the difference or the magnitude of the class interval is 1000, because in each class we find that there is a difference of 1000. So therefore m 2500, m 500 minus a 2500 divided by c 1000. So minus 2000 divided by 1000 minus 2, 1500 minus 2500 divided by 1000 minus 1, 2500 minus 2500 divided by 1000, 0. And 3500 minus 2500 divided by 1000 plus 1. So like that, plus 2 plus 3. Now F into D, FD equals 18 into minus 2 minus 36, 26 into minus 1 minus 26, 30 into 0 0, 12 into plus 1 12, 10 into 2 20, 4 into 3 12. And in the last column we have to calculate FD square, FD into D, FD square. So minus 2 into minus 36 72, minus 1 into minus 26 26, 0 into 0 0, 1 into 12 12, 2 into 20 40, 3 into 12 36. This is what the table the table which is to be prepared before applying the formula. First ನಾವು ಟೇಬಲ್ ನ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. So on that basis we can go for solving the value of standard deviation, and here sigma fd square 186, sigma fd minus 18, and n is equal to total frequency 100. Now, standard deviation can be calculated using the formula sigma is equal to root of sigma fd square by n minus sigma fd by n whole square into c. Root of sigma fd square 186 divided by n 100 minus sigma fd minus 18 divided by n 100 whole square into c 1000. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟು ಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ವೆನ್ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ used then in formula we have to use into c. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟೇಬಲಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ ಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟು ಸಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. root of 186 by 100 minus 18 by 100 whole square into 1000. So here root of 18.6 minus 18 by 100 whole square means 0.0324 into 1000. Now root of 1.8276 into 1000, then square root of 1.8276 is 1.351887 into 1000. That gives us 1351.9 rupees. This is what the value of the standard deviation sigma. Now calculate another example 2. A charitable organization decided to give old age pensions to people over 60 years of age. The scale of pension were fixed as follows. So age groups 60 to 65, 65 to 70, and then 70 to 75, 75 to 80, 80 to 85, and pension per month is given 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. And here the ages of 25 persons who secured the pensions are given below: 74, 70, 62, 84, 72. So like that the ages of 20 persons who secured pensions are given, and we have to calculate monthly average pension payable per person and standard deviation from this data. So let us here in this problem the age group is given, means the class interval ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ, pension per month value ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ. Pension per month means rupees, the values are given, and the frequency ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ. we have to calculate the frequency or number of persons, means ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಬಾರ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ನಾವು ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಬೇಕು. So here, a charitable organization decided to give old age pensions to people over 60 years of age. And here, the ages of 20% or who secured pensions are given. So with the help of that data, we have to calculate the number of persons who were secured the different pensions. 25 ages of 25 ಪರ್ಸನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಈ ನಾವು ಯಾವ ಯಾವ ಏಜಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟೆಷ್ಟು ಪೆನ್ಷನ್ ತಗೊಳ್ಬಲ್ಲರು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. ಸೊ ಇಯರ್ let us first of all prepare frequency distribution of 25% with respect to age in the age groups of 60 to 65, 65 to 70, and up to 80 to 85. And here age groups first column ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾನೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಲಮ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ 74, the age of 74, he comes in the age of 60 to 70, 60 to 65. So 74 age no means ಇಲ್ಲಿ no 70 to 75. ಸೊ 74 ಏಜ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥವ್ರು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, 70 to 75. ಈ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಆಫ್ 70 to 75. ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕನ್ನು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ 62 ದಿ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಪರ್ಸನ್, ಈ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 60 to 65 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. 84 ದಿ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಪರ್ಸನ್, 84 he comes in the age group of 80 to 85. 80 to 85 ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಅವನು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಥರ 72, ಸೊ 72 ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇನ್ ದಿ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 70 to 75 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ 61, ಸೊ 61 ದಿ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ 61, he comes in the ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 60 to 65 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ 83 ದಿ ಏಜ್ ಆಫ್ 83, ಈ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 80 to 85 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ 72 ಮತ್ತೆ 72 ಅವನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಯಾವ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಹಾಕ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ 70ಇಂದ 75 ಒಳಗಡೆ ಬರ್ತಾನೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 60 to 65, ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು 60ಇಂದ 64ವರೆಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. 65 ಅಂದಾಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಏನಿದೆ 65 to 70 ಆ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಕ್ಲೂಸಿವ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ 81 ನಾವು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ, 81 ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಶೋ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಇನ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ 80 to 85, ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪ್ ಆಫ್ 80 to 85 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ 64 ಬರೋದು 60ಇಂದ 65 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು ನಾವು. 71 ಮತ್ತು 70 to 75 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ 63 60 to 65 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತೋರಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ಮತ್ತೆ 60 to 65 ಅಲ್ಲಿ. 67 which falls in the age group of 65 to 70. ಸೊ ಹೀಗೆ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಏಜ್ನು ಕೂಡ ಯಾವ ಏಜ್ ಗ್ರೂಪಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡು ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಟ್ಯಾಲಿ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಟೋಟಲ್ 25% ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿಯಾಗಿ ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲಿ. 1 2 3 4 ಒಂದು ಸ್ಲ್ಯಾಶ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಒಂದು ಅಡ್ಡಗೆರೆ ಹಾಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ದಟ್ ಕೌಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ 5 ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. 5 + 2 7, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ 1 2 3 4 5 5 + 1 6 4 3 ಟೋಟಲ್ 7. ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ 7, ಫಸ್ಟ್ 7 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 7 5 6 4 3 ಟೋಟಲ್ 10 18 25. So this what preparation of frequency distribution of 25% with respect to age in the age groups of 60 to 65 to 80 to 85. So after finding and after preparation of frequency, next the step is to average pension payable per person can be calculated by finding out the arithmetic mean as explained here. So first given values, first values ಅನ್ನ first column ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ and prepared frequency ಏನಿದೆ ಆ ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿಯನ್ನು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ತಗೊಳ್ತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಕಾಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ calculated as x minus 30 by 5. So here 30 assumed value. 30 is taken as assumed value here. X given value 20 minus 30 divided by C means the difference, class interval difference. So here class interval difference is 60 to 65, 5 difference, 65 to 70, 5 difference, 70 to 75, 5 difference. So means in each class there is a difference of 5, therefore class interval is 5 divided by 5. 20 minus 30 by 5 means minus 10 by minus 10 by 5 minus 2. So likewise 25 x 125 minus 30 by 5 means minus 5 by 5 minus 1 0 1 2. So f into d, fd 7 into minus 2 minus 14, 5 into minus 1 minus 5, 6 into 0 0, 4 into 1 4, 3 into 2 6. And then in the last column fd square ಹೇಗೆ fd into d, fd square, fd into d, the product of fd and d. So minus 14 into minus 2 28, minus 5 into minus 1 5, 0 into 0 0, 4 into 1 4, 6 into 2 12. So therefore the sum of fd square is equal to 49. Sigma fd is equal to 9 and total frequency 25. Now the next step is that we have to calculate the average pension. So the pension per month is the exercise. The mean can be calculated using the formula x bar is equal to a plus sigma fd by n into I. So here the average pension can be calculated by applying this formula. X bar is equal to a assumed value 30 plus sigma fd minus 9 by n total frequency 25 into I class interval difference 5. So 30 plus into minus minus 9 5s are 45 divided by 25. So the then we get minus 1.8. Then by simplifying this we can get the value of x bar is equal to 28.2. So therefore this is what the arithmetic mean or the mean value means the average pension payable to each person is equal to rupees 28.2. So the average pension payable per person is equal to rupees 28.2. Here we note that sigma fd calculated for standard deviation is the same sigma fd that is calculated for arithmetic mean also. So standard deviation can be calculated using this formula. Sigma is equal to root of sigma fd square by n minus sigma fd by n whole square into c. So root of sigma fd square, sigma fd square 49 by n 25 minus minus sigma fd minus 9 by 25 whole square into 5 is equal to root of 49 by 25 1.96 minus minus 9 by 25 whole square, so that the value is 0.1296 into 5. So therefore by simplifying this, root of 1.96, the difference is root of 1.8305 into 5. So the root of 1.8305 is 1.3529 into 5 is equal to 6.765. This is what the value of or the value of standard deviation, or sigma. The value of standard deviation is equal to 6.765 rupees. Now the value of coefficient of variation, CV is equal to coefficient of variation, is equal to CV can be calculated by using the formula CV is equal to sigma by mean into 100. Sigma by mean into 100. So uh, sigma already calculated 6.765 divided by mean 28.2 into 100. So this is not this is not the value of sigma and mean. So the value of sigma is 6.765, mean is equal to 28.2 into 100 is equal to 67 7 6 7 676.5 divided by 28.2. So therefore the coefficient of variation is equal to 23.989%. Therefore coefficient of variation can be calculated using this formula sigma by mean into 100. So therefore the value of CV is 23.989. Therefore this is the way in which we can go for solving the value of standard deviation and coefficient of variation.